Hi guys, I just ran to the Dollar Tree to go fidget hunting. Let's see what there is. Got this poppet. I might get this for my silicone babies. Ooh, they got some putty. Well, slime, I guess. I got a little basket. Jackpot. Let's just look at the baby stuff. Let's see. Get that. I might get this one too. Emotions. I went a little overboard. I should probably start walking back. That might be nice. Maybe. Maybe my mom will see me and pick me up. Who knows? Maybe I'll get kidnapped. Who knows? YOLO. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. Anyways, my dudes. So, I haven't ran in over a year. And I ended up jogging 1.2 miles to be exact in like 6 minutes. So, I'll take it. Especially since these are my shoes. I also ran a lot of it barefoot too, so anyways, I gotta go. Oh look, it's me. Hi bestie. My mom just texted me. I was like, where are you? Because like I low-key just took off on a jog while she was at an appointment. And I just went for it, you know? I told her to text me back when she was about done. But I guess she's done now. So, yeah, fun times. I'm so thirsty. I feel so dehydrated now. Hey, what's up, my dudes? I'm back with a Dollar Tree haul. Woo! So, a lot of our cats had kittens, so I bought stuff for them. So I got a couple of these, one of these, some of these, and this. This is for one of the adult cats, the Persian cat we have, Snowball. I got him this. And then I also got some things for the babies. A little bath for my mini silicones and full body vinyl babies. This bib and this bib. These two bibs. These socks. These two hair bows. This hat for Johnny. This scarf to use as a blanket. And this hat for Ivy, which is the not life size, the toddler size Elsa doll. So I also bought myself this fan. I was looking for a tambourine because I'm trying to learn the Esmeralda ballet variation, but I figured this will work for now just so I get used to holding something in my hand while I do it. Plus it's really pretty, so. I also got these bath salts and a gnome because I'm gonna start a fairy garden soon, so. And are you guys all ready to see all of the fidget toys I got? I got these two slimes, this slime, this putty, this squishy, let's see, these poppets, Woo! And this, and a bunch of mochis. Let me get them all. Woo! Mochi! Mochi! Hi! Who's ready for the Fidget unboxing? Excuse the balloon in the background. I still haven't gotten water. Oh well. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this glitter goofy gooey. Okay? Here we go. That's pretty cool. I don't really know what to expect. Oh no, it's getting glitter everywhere. But yeah, like I said, I don't know anything about like slimes and things like that. But to me, it's pretty cool. Ooh. But I'll compare it to the other ones. Here's a goofy gooey. It doesn't say glitter on it, but there is glitter inside of it. So let's see. Oh, this one's much nicer. Oh, this one's good. I don't know much about slimes, like I said, but this one, satisfying. Okay, now I'm going to do just goofy gooey, and that is, yeah, I don't think it's, yeah, there's no glitter in it. But let's see, let me get this opened. Oh, you guys missed it. I just almost spilled it everywhere. What the heck? Oh boy. Okay, this one looks very messy. Excuse my family in the background. Okay, this one's very gooey. I like it though. But if you want a slime that doesn't make a mess, don't get this one. It's gonna stay in this little container. It's very watery. Like, can you hear that? Now I'm gonna open this one. This is the one I'm most excited for. It says you could bounce, stretch, and pop it. So, let's see. And it is all dried up. Wait. I got it. I found it. It's in there. So this is like silly putty. So, hold on. It's all stuck in there, which is weird. Then again, it was only $1.25, so can't be complaining too much. There we go. So yeah, this one's pretty hard. Don't know how to activate. Maybe if I add like a little bit of water, would that work? I don't know. Oh boy, yeah. Maybe it comes in like 2 different pieces, or you just have to like use it a lot. Let's see if it bounces though. Oh, it does bounce. Whee! But this is a good like stress reliever one. Just like pretend like you're squishing your enemies. I shouldn't have said that, but oh well. Yeah, okay, yeah. This one's cool. It's like silly putty, but not silly putty. They had silly putty there, but I don't want that. I wanted to try different things. And I also got this. It has this little tag on it. I'm just gonna rip it off. Hopefully I don't completely destroy the squishy. Oh yeah, it just popped out right there. There we go. Yes, this is cool. This is good. Just your average squishy. Nothing to complain about. And I have no idea what this is. It's a metal brain teaser. I have no idea what it's supposed to do, but I think you're supposed to like try and get them to unhook maybe. I don't like that sound, but it's fun to, yeah, that's cool if you do it like that. Crap, how do you use this? Well, I guess you're right, it is a brain teaser. Now you see it? No, you don't. I'm just kidding. And now I'm gonna open all the puppets and mochis and show you that. Here's all the mochis. This one's one of my favorites. I have no idea what he is. So if you guys know, you guys can feel free to tell me. And this little hippo. I also love this penguin. And what was the other one that I love? Well, I just love them all. Like, I got a little rubber ducky, another duck, a chicken, a shark, a little blowfish, a little piggy, another little piggy, a cat, and these poppets, the crab one is very cute. And there's that. And this one, oops, there's the wrapper. And a turtle. I say this was a success. Bye, thanks for watching.